Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Hawaiian Boh Card. So first you have to open a web browser and in the top URL section type down hawaiiabohocard.com and enter it. Make sure that you just type the correct words over here and enter after you're done. And here you can see you just landed to the Hawaii Boh Card official homepage, and just beside the right hand side you can see the card member. In order to log in, you are required with a username as well as your password. So simply type down your username and password and click on the login option and you will be successfully logged into the Hawaii Boho Card. But if you have forgotten your username or password, then click on this option in order to recover or reset the password and also your username. And this is it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.